Welcome back to NextGenList. Today we're diving into a topic that's transforming our roads and our planet, the rise of electric vehicles, or EVs. If you're curious about the latest developments in this exciting field and their impact on the environment, stay tuned. First, let's clarify what electric vehicles are. Unlike traditional cars that run on gasoline or diesel, EVs are powered by electricity stored in batteries. This means they produce zero tailpipe emissions, making them a cleaner alternative. EVs can be categorized into three main types: battery electric vehicles, BEVs, plug-in hybrid electric vehicles, PHEVs, and fuel cell electric vehicles, FCEVs. Each type has its unique features and benefits, catering to different needs. BEVs are fully electric and rely solely on batteries, such as the Tesla Model 3. PHEVs combine a gas engine with an electric motor, allowing for both electric and gas-powered driving, like the Toyota Prius Prime. FCEVs use hydrogen fuel cells to generate electricity, emitting only water vapor as a byproduct, exemplified by the Toyota Mirai. Now, let's look at some of the latest developments in electric vehicle technology. Advancements in battery technology are crucial. Companies are developing solid-state batteries, which promise longer ranges and faster charging times. For example, some new models can charge to 80% in just 15 minutes. This technology could revolutionize how we think about charging our vehicles. Many EVs now offer ranges exceeding 300 miles on a single charge. This alleviates range anxiety, making electric cars a practical choice for more drivers. Models like the Tesla Model S and Lucid Air even boast ranges over 500 miles, which is comparable to many gasoline vehicles. With more manufacturers entering the market, prices for EVs are dropping. Affordable models, such as the Nissan Leaf and Chevrolet Bolt, are now available, making electric vehicles accessible to a broader audience. Some analysts forecast that EVs will reach price parity with internal combustion engine vehicles by 2025. Modern EVs are equipped with advanced software that enhances user experience. Over-the-air updates allow manufacturers to improve vehicle performance and add new features without requiring a dealership visit. This capability is particularly prominent in Tesla vehicles. Many EVs are also at the forefront of autonomous driving technology. Companies like Tesla and Waymo are actively developing self-driving capabilities, which could revolutionize transportation in the coming years. Imagine a world where you can relax in your car while it drives you to your destination. Emerging V2G technology allows EVs to not only draw energy from the grid, but also supply it back during peak demand. This could help stabilize the energy grid and allow EV owners to earn money by selling excess energy. Companies are investing in fast-charging networks. For example, the Ionity network in Europe aims to provide ultra-fast charging stations across major highways, making long-distance travel in EVs more feasible. Next, let's discuss the environmental impact of electric vehicles. EVs significantly reduce greenhouse gas emissions. According to studies, they can lower lifetime emissions by up to 70% compared to conventional vehicles, especially when charged from renewable energy sources. In fact, the International Energy Agency states that EVs could save up to 1.5 gigatons of CO2 emissions annually by 2030. Manufacturers are exploring sustainable materials for EV production, aiming to minimize the environmental footprint from production to disposal. For example, companies are focusing on using recycled materials in vehicle construction, such as aluminum and plastics. With fewer gas-powered cars on the road, urban areas are experiencing improved air quality, leading to healthier communities. Studies show that cities adopting EVs see a significant decrease in air pollution-related health issues, such as asthma. The integration of renewable energy sources into the EV ecosystem is crucial. Charging EVs with solar or wind energy maximizes their environmental benefits and contributes to a more sustainable energy grid. Many EV owners are installing solar panels at home to charge their vehicles. It's essential to consider the entire life cycle of electric vehicles, from manufacturing to disposal. While the production of EV batteries can be energy-intensive, research shows that during their operational life, EVs produce significantly lower emissions than traditional vehicles. However, the rise of electric vehicles comes with its own set of challenges. While more charging stations are being installed, we still need significant investment in charging infrastructure to support widespread adoption. Urban and rural areas need accessible charging options to encourage EV usage. Governments and private companies are working together to expand charging networks, but there's still much to do. As the number of EVs increases, so does the need for effective battery disposal and recycling methods to prevent environmental harm. Initiatives are underway to develop recycling processes that recover valuable materials from old batteries, which can help reduce the demand for new raw materials. The overall environmental benefits of EVs depend on how the electricity used to charge them is generated. Transitioning to renewable energy is essential for maximizing their positive impact. Countries that rely heavily on fossil fuels for electricity generation may see less dramatic benefits from EV adoption. Changing consumer attitudes towards EVs is crucial. Education and awareness campaigns can help address misconceptions and promote the benefits of electric vehicles. Many potential buyers are still concerned about charging times and the availability of charging stations. The production of EVs relies on materials like lithium and cobalt, which can face supply chain challenges and ethical concerns regarding mining practices. Sustainable sourcing and alternative battery technologies are being explored to address these issues. As EVs become more popular, the automotive repair industry must adapt. Many traditional mechanics may need additional training to service electric vehicles, highlighting the need for educational programs. Looking ahead, the future of electric vehicles seems promising. Many governments worldwide are implementing policies to encourage EV adoption, such as tax incentives, rebates, and stricter emissions regulations. For example, California aims to phase out gas-powered vehicles by 2035, while countries like Norway already see over 54% of new car sales as electric. The global electric vehicle market is expected to grow exponentially over the next decade. Analysts predict that by 2030, EVs could make up over 30% of total vehicle sales, driven by consumer demand and technological advancements. Emerging technologies like wireless charging and ultra-fast charging stations are being developed to make charging more convenient and efficient. Imagine being able to charge your vehicle while parked at home without plugging in. Partnerships between automakers, tech companies, and energy providers are essential for developing integrated solutions that enhance the EV ecosystem, including smart grids and renewable energy collaborations. As the market grows, educating consumers about the benefits and functionalities of EVs will be vital. Informative campaigns can help demystify charging processes and vehicle maintenance. International agreements, like the Paris Agreement, aim to reduce global carbon emissions. Electric vehicles play a crucial role in these initiatives, aligning with global goals to combat climate change. In conclusion, electric vehicles are not just a trend. They represent a significant shift towards a more sustainable future. With ongoing technological advancements and growing awareness of environmental issues, the rise of EVs is poised to reshape our transportation landscape. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights from NextGenList. Share your thoughts on electric vehicles in the comments below. What are you most excited about in the world of EVs? See you next time.